Today, we are truly honored to have with us Dr. Saurav Chaudhary sir, an accomplished professional holding an MBBS and MD in radiology with an extensive and distinguished profile in his field. He is a professor, an author and a life coach who has been inspiring many thoughts through his guidance. He also serves as the Director of Youth and Corporate Affairs at ISKCON, Ranchi, and is the Chairman of Innovate Wings as well as IIYC India. He has authored a book on radiology by Lambert Publication, Germany, and given classes in various medical and engineering colleges, including IITs and NIT. He has been awarded the prestigious Gita Ratna Award for preaching the message of Gita to around 5 lakh people in the last 25 years. Sir, we are very honored to have you here. A big round of applause for Dr. Saurav Chaudhary.
Right? So the fundamental principle, who are you and what is life, what is death? No one likes a dead body. अभी आप लोग अपने बाल को जरा सहलाइए सबको। कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लगता है ना? आईने में खड़े होके लोग करते हैं आई एम लुकिंग स्मार्ट। यही बाल जब आपके दाल में गिर जाता है तो आप क्या करते हैं? When it falls in your tiffin, what do? You throw it or you throw the tiffin. What is the difference between the hair over here and the hair in the tiffin? It is very nice here. Huh? Hair is dead. Hair is dead here also. It is broken. Very good. So now coming to the most important thing, that we are constantly changing, right? You all have studied some basic biology. Every cell has a life. Yes or no? Red blood cell, WBC, a platelet. Every cell of your body is changing. Your thoughts are changing. Your feelings are changing. Your emotion is changing. Only one thing is not changing. What is that? Habits are also changing. You are not changing. I am a doctor. I do CT scan, MRI, ultrasounds. 2 twin pregnancy also, they look the same. Their behavior, can it be same? No, very good. Can their thinking be the same? No. Now I will ask you the most tough question. Your teachers are sitting here, principal sir is sitting here. I am looking at you, yes or no? You are looking at me, yes or no? Who is looking? The eye is looking, or the chashma is looking, or the brain is looking, or the mind is looking, or the senses are looking. No, 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 no. God. Can we give one mic and pass it to the boys? Brain is the hardware, mind is the software. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? You are playing laptops, computer. Brain is the hardware, mind is the software. All of you tell आत्मा. बोलो जोर से. और जोर से बोलो. इसका इंग्लिश क्या है? Soul. Very good. Give a big hand to yourself, all of you. आत्मा देखती है, आत्मा सुनती है, आत्मा समझती है। आत्मा को मानने में, जानने में, समझने में और महसूस करने के अंतर को ही जीवन बोलते हैं। क्या बोला मैंने? आत्मा को मानने में, जानने में, समझने में और उसको महसूस करने के अंतर को ही जीवन बोलते हैं। एक रिकॉर्डर भी रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकता है और आप भी कोई सीन देख सकते हो। क्या रिकॉर्डर को फीलिंग्स आएगा? जोर से बोलो। आपको फीलिंग्स आएगा? When you hear something nice, do you feel nice? So I am singing something. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare कैसा लगा? थैंक यू। किसने गाया? डॉक्टर सौरभ चौधरी तो नाम है मेरा। मैंने गाया यानी आत्मा ने गाया, और किसने सुना? आत्मा ने सुना। किससे सुना? किससे देखा? आप कौन हो? आहार निद्रा भय मैथुन नश्चर्य, ये चारों चीज में उतना ही देर हैप्पीनेस मिलता है जब तक वो चलता है, प्लेजर। लेकिन आनंद का बस बिगिनिंग होता है, एंड नहीं होता है। शरीर से सुख मिलता है, आत्मा से आनंद मिलता है। कितने लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है? थैंक यू। Rather than prioritizing your schedule, it is better to schedule your priorities. कितने लोगों को लगता है सर मुझे पढ़ाई का टाइम नहीं मिलता, बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल है। घर जाता हूँ तो मम्मी स्विमिंग क्लास भेज देती है, उसके बाद कराटे क्लास भेज देती है, मैं थक के आता हूँ, फिर मुझे ट्यूशन जाना पड़ता है, फिजिक्स खत्म नहीं होता है तो केमिस्ट्री, और रात को मम्मी बोलती है होमवर्क कर लो, तब भयानक गुस्सा आता है, तब मुझे मोबाइल में थोड़ा गेम खेलना होता है। लुक एट, कितने लोग हाथ उठा रहे हैं। Stop managing your time, start managing your focus. Brain is the hardware, mind is the software. अब ध्यान से सुनो, हाँ, सेमिनार खत्म होने वाला है। Choice, we won't have one for us to voice, and time will destroy the glorious past. Just memories will remain, memories will last. Thank you very much.
The International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON, teaches us what Lord Krishna taught Arjuna on the battlefield. Do your duty without attachment to the results. Dr. Saurabh told us about stress management, time management, focus, awareness, and soul. The habits and importance of making complex things simple. Children, that is exactly what our school motto is. Higher, stronger, brighter. Means, and that is what our tribe values stand for. The first tribe value is teamwork. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna and Arjun were a team. Krishna was the guide, Arjun was the doer. In school, you and your teachers are a team, and you help each other to learn and grow. Honesty and integrity. Krishna says, Satyam vada dharmacharya. Speak truth, follow dharma. Whether in exams or on the playground, choose the right path even when no one is watching. Respect. ISKCON teaches us to respect all life. Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Respect your parents, your teachers, your friends, and even the plants and animals around our campus. Vision. Arjuna was confused and Krishna gave him the vision. Today, ISKCON is here to give you the vision that studies are not just for marks, but to become a good human being. Excellence. Excellence is not stopping the class. As Lord Krishna said that we should follow the karma. Excellence is in how skillfully you do your duty. Study with devotion, play with spirit, and serve with humility. Remember, children, Krishna did not fight Arjun's war, he guided him. Your teachers, parents, and programs like this guide us to fight the war of our daily life.
For Goals for Life is yours. Let us thank Dr. Saurabh and his team from ISKCON Ranchi for reminding us that higher, stronger, brighter is our daily motto. Hare Krishna, thank you and Jai Hind.